Hi beauties, yeah, welcome to Glory Beauty World and Skincare channel where I share everything about skincare. So in today's video, I'll be talking about acne and pimples, okay? I'll be talking about the causes, the types, okay, of acne. I'll be talking about the ways it could be treated, and also I'll be sharing how you can prevent and reduce the appearance of acne and acne scars on your skin. Okay, so some of you already know what acne is, but I'm going to explain for other people who do not know what acne is, but they are experiencing it. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when the skin's tiny holes, which is the pores, are blocked due to excess production of oil or dead skin cells or bacteria. Okay, acne is completely common and is normal. Okay, you can find acne in areas on the skin like your chest, your face, your shoulder, your back, okay, your belly, your even your neck. Okay, you can experience acne on those parts of the body. Okay, acne does not pose any danger to the health, okay, but it's very painful. All right, and it's very treatable. Acne is treatable. So over time, you will experience acne scars. Okay, it could lead to acne scars, and these scars can really affect the self-esteem, the self-confidence of people who already have it. All right, and over time, if care is not taken, if it's not treated well, or if it's not treated, it will start making them to start having feelings of anxiety or depression. As for me, I've already had my own fair share of acne, everything that comes with it, because I have a sensitive skin. Okay, so I've experienced everything that comes with acne, and I'm so happy that today I'm rocking my skin even without makeup or anything. Okay, I'm very happy with my skin right now. I'm going to put the pictures of my before and my after. This is how I looked before, and this is how my face was after. Okay, just for you to know where I am coming from, that I'm not just saying what I do not know. I've experienced it, and I've known the ways to help my skin and other people that I'm also helping their skins through what I do. So what are the causes of acne on the skin? There are many causes of acne on the skin, but I will be listing few of it. All right. Acne happen in the hair follicle when the pores are blocked by excess production of oil, dead skin cell, and bacteria. Okay, it leads to inflammation and development of acne, whitehead, blackheads, and cysts on the skin. Another causes of acne is also hormonal changes, okay? When you are pregnant or doing puberty or doing menstruation. So the fluctuation of all that can lead to someone having acne. Medications can also cause acne. The type of medication you use can also lead to acne. Another thing that can lead to acne is genetics, okay? Yes, some individuals already have predeposited acne based on their genes. Okay, so this could cause inflammation and other skin factors. Another thing that could cause acne on the skin could be your environment. If you are exposed to pollutants, okay, if you are wearing tight fitted clothes, or even stress can lead to acne on the skin, acne and pimples on the skin. Okay, another one is your diet. Some diets, some foods that you take can also lead to acne breakout on the skin. Okay, foods that has high content of sugar and processed foods can cause acne breakouts on your skin. So you see these four factors. You see inflammation, you see dead skin cells, bacteria, and excess oil production are the four major factors that could cause acne breakouts on your skin. So this whole thing now brings us to the question, how can one be able to treat acne on the skin? Okay, like I said earlier, acne can be treatable. As for me, acne is easy to be treated if you have the right ingredients. that you are using, okay, for your treatment. All right, so if you're experiencing mild acne, there are two types of ingredients you should look out for. Look out for salicylic acid, okay? This ingredient is very, very good. It helps to unclog your pores and also cause the acne causing bacteria to stop. So another ingredient, if you are experiencing mild breakouts, acne breakouts, is benzoyl peroxide, okay? This ingredient is very good. It helps to dry any existing pimples or acne on your face, and it also helps to stop new ones from forming, and it also helps to stop acne causing bacteria. So these ingredients are very good: salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. Okay, they are very good and effective for treating mild acne. So if you're experiencing moderate acne on the skin, okay, what you are going to do is to consult a dermatologist or a professional who is going to prescribe some medications that can help to reduce and treat your acne. So a dermatologist can recommend prescription strength benzoyl peroxide. They could prescribe antibiotics or retinoids for you. For severe treatment of acne, a dermatologist may recommend that you combine either oral antibiotic, benzoyl peroxide, topical retinoid, or topical antibiotics. So you can also treat acne, all right, from your home. You can decide to apply some natural ingredients on your face as a face mask. You can decide to apply aloe vera gel as a treatment of acne. You can decide to apply fresh tomato on your face. It also treats acne and pimple. You can decide to apply honey. You can mix honey and turmeric, honey and cinnamon. All these ingredients, you can try and do researches, okay? They all have effective things in them that help to treat your acne and even the scars, okay? So try and make researches on how to treat acne with natural remedies. You're going to see it. And in my channel here, I already have a lot of videos, okay, where I shared everything natural on how to take care of your skin and treat your acne and pimples, even the scars. So you can check through my videos on this channel. You'll see many informations on how to treat acne and pimple on your skin. As a skincare product formulator, I have some herbs, some natural ingredients that I incorporate while formulating products for my clients. These ingredients are very, very good for the skin. It treats and prevents all these skin issues like acne, pimples, blemishes, and hyperpigmentation. Okay, I incorporate all these ingredients that is okay for your skin. So that's what I do basically. All right. So another thing you can do to prevent acne and pimples on your skin is your lifestyle changes. Okay, if you are not exercising, you should try and start exercising. If you're a smoker, you should quit smoking. All these things can contribute to skin conditions like pimples and acne. All right, so try and cut down on your intake of sugar and processed food. These are not good for your health, and they all show through the breakouts that you get on your skin. If you don't rest, try and get enough rest. If you don't sleep, try and be sleeping. Try and drink water and stay hydrated. All this can help you to prevent acne breakouts on your skin. And please avoid squeezing or touching your face. All right, stop pressing your pimple. This can cause scars, acne scars on your face. So please do not squeeze or press your acne. Don't, because by doing that you are going to give yourself more scars and you are going to be introducing more bacteria that can cause acne on your face. Make sure you wash your face always and keep your face clean. Wash your face 2 times in a day, 2 or 3 times in a day. So if you can do all these things, I think it will help to reduce the appearance of acne and pimples on your skin. All right, so if you find this video helpful and you like contents like this, do well to support this channel by subscribing. It's totally free. You like, you share, and if you need any clarification, if you have any question, you can drop it or you can call me or you can text me on WhatsApp. I'm always open to replies. Okay, so that's just it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.